Hi guys, I'm Cole Carter and this is London Rocks. Have you ever heard of Monstera deliciosa? Probably not. This is otherwise known as the Swiss cheese plant. Now whether you're familiar with the names or not, you're definitely going to recognise this iconic plant. Priya called up the shop inquiring about a pair of emerald earrings based on a Swiss cheese plant. Luckily she wanted to use yellow gold, as green stones always look fabulous in this material. We had our own Swiss cheese plant here at London Rocks, but unfortunately due to the lockdown the poor thing didn't get any water or sunlight and unfortunately perished. So this video is a little tribute to London Rock's very own Monstera deliciosa. Once I've cut out the leaves, I'm going to bend them around a bit as I don't want them looking really flat. I want them to look quite lifelike and layered and have a three-dimensional feel. This plant always reminds me of my childhood and takes me back to the 1980s because my mum would always have one of these up in our flat in East London. piece, we're going to be using a thread and grain setting, and we're going to be using emeralds and savorite garnets of all different sizes. This will allow us to cover as much surface area as possible. And then we're going to finish it off with a nice entwined stalk. So I'm over the moon. Priya loves her earrings and she's already discussed with me the prospect of commissioning a full necklace to match, which will look absolutely awesome. So if you want to see that in the future, make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button. Stay tuned for everything diamonds, jewelry and gems. I'm Carl Carter, this is London Rocks, and I'll see you next time.